Are you looking for the best electric ride-on lawnmowers? Check out our top 5 picks. These swings are short, best electric ride-on lawnmowers, and they're all available at great prices. So let's get started.
Product number 1. Tractor Electric Starter Lawnmower Ride-On with 30-inch cutting width grass cutter machine. Experience Tractor Electric Starter Lawnmower Ride-On with 30-inch cutting width grass cutter machine. Petrol lawnmower, push lawnmower, garden machine, grass trimmer, mower, lawn tractor, tractor mini push bubble car, lawnmower. Petrol lawnmower, push lawnmower, garden machine, grass trimmer, mower, lawn tractor, tractor mini push bubble car, lawnmower. Motor garden tools, field grass trimmer, machine for cut grass.
Product number 2. Works 40V 14-inch cordless lawnmower. Experience Works 40V 14-inch cordless lawnmower for small yards. Quick Start 40V Power. Cordless lawnmower delivers robust 40V power with two 20V 4.0 AH batteries, ideal for cutting up to 1/8 acre. Starts fast, simply push a button and pull the bail handle. Quickly charge both batteries with included dual charger. Same battery, expandable power. The same PowerShare batteries that run this push lawnmower can conveniently be used with 140 plus power tools, outdoor power equipment, and lifestyle products from the Works PowerShare platform.
Product number 3. Lawnmower Jack Lift. Experience Lawnmower Jack Lift. Easy to operate, giving you more convenience than you can imagine. Our lawnmower lift is ergonomically designed for manual operation and includes a manual Z-handle swivel sleeve, which increases work efficiency by up to 300%. It is also equipped with a power tool extension head, suitable for low-speed and high-torque power tools. With our tractor lift, you can say goodbye to cumbersome lifting and lowering methods and make operation a breeze. Adjust the size freely to show excellence quality. The surface of riding lawnmower lift jack is coated with anti-rust plating, which is oxidation resistant, abrasion resistant, and effectively insulates against air. Adjustable design fits most home tractors and mowers. The lawnmower lift is height adjustable for easy and efficient oil changes and blade removal. Easily stored in a garden shed or garage, the mower jack is a great space saver.
Product number 4. Husqvarna Automower 115H 4G Robotic. Experience Husqvarna Automower 115H 4G Robotic Lawnmower with patented guidance system. Husqvarna Automower 115H 4G Robotic Lawnmower with patented guidance system, self-installation, and ultra-quiet smart mowing technology, 0.4 acre. Easy control from your smartphone. Husqvarna's smart technology lets you control scheduling, adjust settings, and start and stop your automatic lawnmower from your smartphone. Husqvarna Automower 115H 4G Robotic Lawnmower with patented guidance system, self-installation, and ultra-quiet smart mowing technology, 0.4 acre. Reliable wired solution. Physical wire offers strong performance regardless of your lawn layout. The wire provides a clear and consistent signal, helping the mower navigate through shaded areas with significant tree coverage and any other challenging zones.
Product number 5. Lawnmaster MEB 1216K Electric Lawnmower 16-inch 12-amp. Powerful performance. Tackle your yard with 3,500 RPM of power and a 16-inch cutting width. Environmentally friendly. No gas or batteries needed to power the mower. Customize your cut. Effortlessly change the height of your cut with 5 cutting positions varying between 1.4 inches and 3 inches.